Hello, Modernites. I'm sure you all are doing well. Revision is the heart of writing. So, whatever we've learned so far, I'm sure you understood it completely. Let's just recapitulate by tracking your progress with the help of some simple questions. Every living thing needs food. Why do they need food? To grow, to get energy, and to carry out various activities. Living things obtain chemical energy in one of the two ways. Autotrophs. These are the green plants. They are known as producers. And they are known as producers. That's why they produce their own food. With the help of which process, children? Yes, photosynthesis. And the other ones are heterotrophs. These are the animals. They cannot make their own food. They must eat or absorb it. That is why they are also known as consumers. Now the next question is leaf. Leaf is also known as the food factory of plants, as leaf helps in preparing the food for the plant by the help of photosynthesis. Let's understand and see the structure of leaf. This is how a leaf looks like. It is of various shapes and sizes in many plants, but the structure is almost the same. Now here you can see this tip of the leaf. It is known as apex. This is the center line which runs through the middle of the leaf. This is known as midrib. As it runs through the middle, that is why the name is midrib. And now this flat part of the leaf, this flat surface is known as leaf blade or lamina. This outer edge, this outline of the leaf is known as leaf margin. These are the small tiny veins which comes out from the midrib. They are known as side veins. And this small structure which is attached here at the end of the leaf, basically this structure has a big role. This structure attaches the entire leaf to the stem, and the name of the structure is stalk, also known as petiole. The green substance present in the leaves to trap sunlight for the process of photosynthesis is known as chlorophyll. Yes, my dear children, chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in the leaves to trap sunlight. For which purpose? Yes, for the process of photosynthesis, because this green substance helps to trap the sunlight and leaves will be able to prepare food for the plant. Now the underside of leaf has many tiny pores. They are called as stomata. You can't see them, children. They are microscopic structures. So these pores are so small that we can't see them with unaided eyes. And what is the role of the stomata? Stomata help in exchanging of gases. What gases? Yes, the gases which helps the plant to breathe. So stomata helps in taking in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and giving out oxygen to the atmosphere, which will be further utilized by humans and animals for breathing. Remember, children, every recap counts. So stay tuned for more updates. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.